want to know, look on that woman, yeah. Meet the baddest woman in America. She charged with 3 counts of second-degree murder and 1 count of first-degree murder. May I tell you what she do? Real crazy. This lady got very pissed off because they took her 9-year-old daughter. So the state did that. Social service, child social service. So what she did, she get her boyfriend's rifle and she went to the house of her aunt. She went to her aunt's house. She shot her aunt. After she shot her aunt, then she shot her 2 cousins. And after she killed her 2 cousins, she drive down to the social worker office and waited until the social worker got off work. Then she shot the social worker and killed the social worker right there on the spot. She was tackled when she shot the social worker by some people and got arrested. So she is charged with 3 counts of second-degree murder for killing her aunt and 2 cousins, and 1 count of first-degree murder for killing the social worker. Now, what you guys think about this case? You see how people can snap. Now, this is not a violent woman, you know. This is a lady who works and never got involved with crime or the law, and they ratted her out to the system, and the system took her daughter, and the lady lost it. She went get her boyfriend rifle and she let her family member and the social worker have it. What do you all think about this situation? Do you think if you were in a situation like this, would you resort to what this lady resorted to? Be honest with yourself and don't lie to me. Let me know how you guys would feel, because me, I feel like I would fight fire with fire. But you know what she did, I understand what pushed her over the edge. You understand? And it's so very much unfortunate, because there is nothing in place to help these people. To be fair to the viewers, this lady, she had a big drug problem and she was in and out of rehab. It seems as if the family got fed up with her. But one reason why I'm doing this story, I know somebody who was in this same situation. As a matter of fact, they are still in the same situation. And the family did the same thing. The family did the same thing. The social worker knew everything about the young lady and the guy she was with, the color of the man's car, social worker knew that the man was sleeping in the car, him and her, because I guess them gave up the baby them, you know, and it was crazy. But like I said, the state have to step in and make the best thing for the child. But there's a saying that ain't no shit worse than a woman scorn. I think maybe the system should work with her. This was up in Wisconsin, I think, or Wisconsin. In some states and some places, they will work with the mother because the mother of the child in some states have the most rights. And, you know, this is dealing with state law, you know, so it would be the state child welfare authority over that. So, you know, maybe the social service should learn from a situation like this and make the process for these people on drugs who lose their kids, or people who lose their kids, easier for them to come back in. Listen, my name is Countryman, and remember to like, share, subscribe, and kick. I said kick. Countryman tipsy tonight. Click on another video. Now, like I said, I find this to be a very unique video. The woman here is one of the baddest women in America right now. Believe it or not. I'm out.